Before buying Trend Micro, there are 7 key things you need to know. If you're looking to protect your devices and personal information, you might have come across Trend Micro as one of the top options out there. But is it really the right choice for you? Stick around to learn exactly what makes Trend Micro stand out, how it compares to other antivirus software, and what to expect from your investment. The first thing you should know about Trend Micro is its impressive track record in cybersecurity. It's been around for over 30 years, and it has consistently performed well in independent lab tests. When compared to other antivirus software like Norton or McAfee, Trend Micro often scores higher in terms of malware detection. This makes it one of the most reliable options for comprehensive protection. Whether you're dealing with viruses, ransomware, or phishing attacks, Trend Micro offers top-tier defense. Next thing to consider is its user-friendly interface. Unlike some of its competitors, which can overwhelm you with endless settings and confusing options, Trend Micro focuses on simplicity. You get the protection you need without a steep learning curve. For anyone new to antivirus software, this makes Trend Micro a solid choice. You won't have to spend hours figuring out how to use it. The setup is straightforward, and once it's running, it works seamlessly in the background, letting you go about your day without disruptions. Now, let's talk about its system impact. Trend Micro is known for being light on system resources. Many antivirus programs, including popular ones like McAfee or Bitdefender, can slow down your system while scanning for threats. With Trend Micro, you get the protection you need without noticing a significant slowdown, making it ideal for gamers or people who use resource-heavy applications. The fourth thing you should know is Trend Micro's focus on privacy features. It offers secure browsing and data protection with a built-in VPN, which is something many competitors don't offer as part of their standard package. If you're concerned about your privacy while browsing online, Trend Micro gives you an extra layer of security that goes beyond just virus protection. Next, Trend Micro offers excellent multi-device coverage. While other antivirus software might require separate licenses for different devices, Trend Micro allows you to protect multiple devices on a single subscription. Whether you have a Windows PC, Mac, or mobile devices, Trend Micro ensures your entire ecosystem is covered, which can save you money in the long run. Now, let's dive into customer support. Trend Micro has a reputation for providing quick and effective customer service. This can be a huge advantage if you encounter any issues with the software. Unlike other antivirus companies that might leave you waiting on hold for hours, Trend Micro's support team is known for being responsive and helpful. You can reach them via phone, chat, or email, which is more than what you get with some competitors like Bitdefender, where support options can be more limited. Lastly, it's important to consider the cost. While Trend Micro isn't the cheapest option on the market, it provides excellent value for the features it offers. Compared to other high-quality antivirus programs, the pricing is competitive, especially considering the level of protection and additional tools, like the VPN that you get. Plus, it frequently offers promotions and discounts, which can make it even more affordable. If you're still on the fence about buying Trend Micro, you can try it out completely free from the first link below. Get access to the best free trial for Trend Micro and experience its robust protection firsthand. Don't miss out on this chance to protect your devices with one of the best antivirus software available. So, if you're ready to take the next step, click the first link in the description to try out Trend Micro today and enjoy some exclusive benefits.